Just 10 minutes south of Rock Springs, Wyoming, lies the Kolman Ranch. The layout of this versatile property makes it ideal for a number of business operations, including equestrian boarding and instruction or light manufacturing. Multiple wells on the ranch provide an abundance of high-quality water to the residences and grounds. The main home includes 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and custom woodwork and cabinetry throughout. The main floor living area provides a beautiful view of Wyoming's wide open spaces with its multitude of wildlife and ever-changing skies. Upstairs, the master bedroom has its own fireplace and recently remodeled bathroom. There are 3 additional residences on the property that have been rented regularly and generate significant income to the ranch. The 1950 one-bedroom, one-bath house is a well-maintained and sound structure. 2 mobile homes, including a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, are both situated on permanent foundations. All of these improvements are surrounded by mature landscapes, and structures are separated by strategically placed perennials. The other outbuildings on the property include masonry buildings in good repair, a pump house that houses the sprinkler system for the grounds, as well as a shop with ample room for a variety of light industrial uses. 2 additional garages and the original calf barn add even more enclosed multiple-use spaces. Recreational opportunities in the area include the Flaming Gorge Reservoir, the Green River, and the entire western flank of the Wind River Range. Right through the gate, you will find endless horseback and recreational vehicle riding. The rich history, as well as the craftsmanship and attention to detail you will find all over this property, make this ranch the perfect place to enjoy the best of country living while being only a stone's throw away from Rock Springs. Call Jeff Rader today at 307-349-6709 for your private showing.